Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kadero Hudson, a millennial investor and lifestyle. I just got back from Colombia and I'm here in front of you guys to talk to you about finances. Well, let's dig a little bit deeper. I talk about finance planning, financial management, and overall just personal finance management. And uh, the best way I explain that is that in my videos, I talk about how to leverage the stock market to make money, how to make money in the stock market in the long way through dividend growth investing, dividend portfolios, and also talk about just overall everyday living, basically how to budget, how to buy a house, save money, spend money, make money, and just know that for me, I utilize Fidelity, as you see. I utilize Fidelity for all of my investing in stocks and ETFs and dividend investing. And just know that everything that I say regards to financial planning and wealth management, that past performance does not guarantee future performance. And just know that everything that I say is just educational purpose. It's from my love for investing. But if you do want more so of a professional financial advice or a professional finance opinion regards investing and how to retire, whatnot. There's certain financial institutions like Jupiter Wealth Management. There's Merrill Lynch Asset Manager and Asset Management. You have J.P. Morgan Chase asset managers that will be able to help you on your journey if you are a new investor and honestly just want to learn how to grow your wealth, manage your wealth. I'm just one individual person that's going to talk about my dividend portfolios and how I invest. I'm not here to sell you any product or whatnot. So make sure that if you go to a professional to seriously sit down and understand financial taxes, dividend taxes, and the taxes as a whole, either right now in the present or in the future when you get ready to want to retire. So yeah, just know that there are financial institutions out there that will be able to help you sit down with investing, and there's a lot of financial planners that will be able to help you, especially since I'm in Houston. There's plenty of financial planners in this Houston market to be able to help you. I know for a fact JP Morgan Chase and also Wells Fargo, many uh, private asset managers to be able to help you. But since you're already here, let me talk to you guys about how I financial plan and how I break things down, shall we? By you looking at my dividend portfolio and my portfolio assets as a whole, I was hoping to record and to show you how I make money in the stock market when my dividend portfolios was right around 76,500. As of right now, you see, I'm down $20 on the day today, but I as a whole the past couple of days when I was in Colombia, I was over 76,000. I was at like 76,500, but last week it was a bit of a rough week. I'm not gonna lie, and uh, when I saw that the market was down several days due to just market uh, bad news. It was so much bad news that I saw last week where it was just I just closed everything. And so as you see, you probably don't know, but I've actually I've done some changes. I've made some changes. I bought some stocks, for example, like Apple, Microsoft. I sold out of. You probably I say when you look, I had this REIT called Arbor Realty Trust, and it's a mortgage REIT, and it was doing fine for the past I want to say 3 to 5 years, but due to the recession and due to the pressures of the market and us being in a recession, it was like a lot of bad news. And I don't normally sell stocks. I don't keep it for the long haul. All of these different stocks I have in my different portfolios, but I bought it at like $15 and I had a tranche of about $17. And through the bad news, it had went down all the way down to about like $10, and I couldn't really, I couldn't really just stood by there and just watch it tank like that. I had I had over $2,000 in Arbor Realty Trust, spread between three different accounts: my dividend portfolio, my Roth IRA, and my traditional IRA. And you buying it at $16, and then seeing that it tanked all the way down to $10, I had lost so much. I wasn't willing to lose it all. In my Roth IRA, I sold out of the Arbor Realty Trust. I bought some Tesla. I bought some AutoZone, AZO. I also bought like $100 worth of Lowe's. And then I started a brand new position in Target. I really do. I know Target is down right now, but I foresee in the next 5 years, Target will be back. And since I'm into financial planning, wealth management, I bought some of Ameriprise Financial. Ameriprise, probably haven't heard of this stock AMP. It used to be a part of American Express, but then they did a spinoff, and then the spinoff was AMP. And normally I don't really go for the spinoffs, but Ameriprise, over the past, I would say 5 to 10 years, it has produced a lot of gains. I'm talking about beating the SP 500. So if you haven't heard of Ameriprise, there you go. And then Monolithic Power NPWR, this semiconductor stock has been producing heavy returns as well. And then Elevance is wonderfully known as Blue Cross Blue Shield, and then Parker Hannifin, a dividend king. So as you see right here, oh, and as we bark into the future, I'm investing into Tesla for the hybrid, the renewable energy, for that whatever the company stands for. I believe in Tesla, for electric cars and renewable energy and robots. And then I invest into AZO, which is AutoZone, because I don't foresee gas cars and mechanical cars going out of style completely while I'm still living. I'm 35, and even going into the future, there's still going to be a need for tools to work on those mechanical cars, diesel engines. It's just, if people want to buy those muscle cars and those type of cars, it's going to be a premium, but they're still going to need uh, to be fixed on. And it's just, the demand is probably going to be lower, but then but the supply is going to be low, and then the demand probably is going to be medium, which means that the price you can charge more. It's going to be less of a demand, but it's going to be less of supply. But then with medium demand, it's probably not going to be a high demand in the future. But with a medium size demand, you still can make a decent profit. So that's why I have AutoZone and Tesla, contradictory stocks in my Roth IRA. And then in another portfolio that I have, I got Tesla again, waste management, because I believe in knowing where to put waste and recycle. Monolithic Power again. I have Centos, Tractor Supply, Texas Roadhouse, Vanguard's technology ETF. I have the S&P 500 index fund, and I have a S&P 500 total stock market ETF in my dividend portfolio. And then in my other portfolios, other stocks that I love is like Microsoft. I love it. I have over should be close to $1,500 of Microsoft. No, oh yeah, I was close. So I have 1,460. Should be like 1,500, but it's looks like Microsoft is actually creeping back up. I love stocks like Broadcom, and I'm thinking about adding Bank of America into my dividend portfolio, just for more of a financial component. I had Goldman Sachs, but because of the whole banking crisis, it would have happened in Silicon Valley about a month ago. I deleted Goldman Sachs, but uh, I kept MS, which is Morgan Stanley. So I kept Morgan Stanley. I sold Goldman Sachs, but besides that, and outside of T. Rowe Price, I don't have any financial stocks components to add. And Bank of America stock is quite cheap as well. I think it's under $40 a share. Last I saw, I think it was like $25, $30 a share, which is not bad. And so those right here, so they're right there. Show you guys. So this the balance of all of my portfolios. Told you my portfolio balance was over 76,000, and then just right here, just the history, just to show you the history of certain the moves that I conducted for the month of April. I'm about to say July of April, and I'm going through my dividend income in the next particular screen, but uh, the January April the January April uh, July and October months of quarters is usually my lesser months in terms of dividend income. So as you see, uh, I guess this is what happened as of 4/13. But I wanted to show you uh, that certain things that I did in all of my portfolios of receiving dividends from Monolithic Power. I bought some Enbridge. I bought some Ameriprise. I sold out of Arbor Realty Trust, as you see. Uh, and as of the middle of last week, I received a dividend from Best Buy. I bought Target, those 5 shares, and then right here, all those. Me having monolithic power, me having monolithic power in 3 different portfolios. I received 3 different dividends. It's a low yield, so it's not going to be that much. And I bought some Kinder Morgan to add some to beef up my dividend yield since I sold out of Arbor Realty Trust. But right here, here's the most important screen right here. Uh, this screen is similar to the last screen, but more colorful and more. I can get straight to the point. So right here, I love going over my dividend income for the entire month. Yes, it's 4/18, and the month is not over with yet. But as of that, I'm not going to be receiving any more dividend income for the rest of the month. Then you have February, you have May, and then I have my May dividends. I think my largest month is the third month of each quarter, and as you see right here, I received $8 from Coca Cola on the third. Allstate, I received $13.79. Lamb Research, I received $6.96. Vici, I received $8.04. And then on the 6th, I received all these on the 6th. And then on the 6th, I received uh, dividends of $23 from my S&P 500 fund. Lovely, right? So then adding that, I'm looking at over $100 and some dollars from in dividends for the month of April 2023. Obviously, this right here shows you from the previous screen on from Fidelity of my Best Buy dividend, and then those monolithic power dividends, which is quite small. But I'm going to take that. I'm going to compound, and then it's a low yielder, which means that whatever dividend income that it gives me, I'm excited and I'm gonna take it. But for the most part, I'm not really gonna be living off that. It's a small compounder like Microsoft and Apple. It's a small compounder, and then right here you see it says my balance is 81,000. But my dividend portfolio annual income with all of my portfolios is $1,993, which means that it's close to $2,000 per year, which is not bad. It's not wow a lot of money, but it's not bad. Oh, and to remind me, I'm looking at the dividend calendar. Oh, I lied. I actually at the end of the month will receive $59.04 from uh, AMT, which is something Tower, and then Mo Ultra. I forgot about that. Wow, which means that should push me to around $150 because that was $100 from all those stocks before, and then this is close to $60. So that would be pushing me on close to $150+ for the month of April in dividend income. Right. This is how you leverage the stock market to make residual income, passive income from your stocks, and then you take your money and you reinvest back into the stock to make more money, buy more shares, buy quality companies. It grow its dividend. The company it by itself cash flow and company grows, it's a win-win. And then as you see potentially in May, I start out the first week I'm not making any money, but then I began to start making money uh, as the month goes. Sweet, right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video and how to leverage the stock market to make money. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed my dividend portfolio and me sharing how much I made in April in dividend income and showing you my buys and my sales. And ultimately, I hope you guys uh, like, subscribe my channel, watch my videos all the way through, and learn how to ultimately manage your money, manage your time, and to become great financial planners. You don't need wealth managers to uh, plan out your wealth or to manage your wealth. You could do it on your own, and you watch my videos and I can help you. Or if you are a busy person or you making a lot of money or just you just too busy, then you can go down the route of a financial planner to receive professional financial advice, and you can go it that way. So we live in an age of technology, of YouTube, Facebook, and Fiverr, where you can leverage other people's talents, or you can just pay uh, a certified financial planner, and they will just walk you through a whole program and manage all your money and charge you maybe a 1%, 1.5% fee if you had money for that. So all in all, hope you guys have a great Tuesday. I'm hungry. I want some tacos or maybe some chicken and some queso. Yeah. So hope you guys have a great day. I'm hungry. I'm gonna give me some food. Peace. All right.